Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can integrate ChatGPT in ASP.NET application. So we will be using the OpenAI API, and for that first you have to get the API key. So we have another video for that, so you can check that one out. We will provide you a link in the video description. So this is the ASP.NET MVC application, and you can do the same in the ASP.NET Core application also. So we have this method here which will make the call to the ChatGPT API. So here I have specified the URL which we will hit with the prompt to get the response. So here is the application that I have run. So here we can type any question and then click on the send. So I have specified the API key in the web config file. You can pass that static, or as per your requirement you can make the changes. So we will pass the API key to the authorization provider. We will provide you the code, so don't worry about that part. So we will give you a article link, from there you can copy the code. So we are using the ChatGPT model 3.5 turbo, and then we have to provide the prompt to the ChatGPT, and max token is the token result which it will return. So you can increase the limit if you want a larger set of the data in the response. Okay, so now we have passed the prompt here, hi, how are you, and then we are making the call to the ChatGPT API. So here you will notice that it will return back the response, and here you can see that it has returned the answer of the question that we just asked. So hello, I am just a computer program. Okay, so then we are returning back this value and showing on the UI. Okay, so now to chat further you can ask any other question, like anything. So then we will again make the request, and it will again go to ChatGPT for the response. So again here is the response which is provided by the ChatGPT API, and we are displaying it here. So if you need the code part, then what you have to do is you have to go to our official website codetonight.com, and we will give you a direct link of the article also, so don't you worry about that part. And here we have the article for integrating ChatGPT API in ASP.NET, and you can open up that blog, and here you will be able to find all the code that we just showed you in the video. So here you can download the code also and use that as per your requirements. What is the complete code that we just seen. So this is how you can integrate the ChatGPT in your ASP.NET application. If you face any kind of issue, then you can comment on the video. So thank you guys.